Well, today I just want to make a quick video on why I kind of downgraded to the Fatshark Eyecups. And yeah, I had to change out my faceplate to Eyecups. And first I just want to show you how to do it first, because I know a lot of people see a lot of videos out there on changing from Eyecups to faceplates, but what about the reverse? So here's a bit of footage from before where what I did was I just popped this off and put on the Eyecups. Basically all I had to do was really pop it off, and after that I just had to insert the tabs into the holes on the top and bottom of the Eyecup sockets, and after that I have to cut the tabs to make sure it doesn't get in the way of the screen with a pair of scissors. And yeah, that's basically it. Installation was actually pretty simple. And now the main reason why I switched over to the Eyecups is because these are the HD2s, and the HD2s, a lot of people had problems with the fact that the screen was very big, and as a result, you get a lot of blurry edges. And I had that problem until recently when I switched over to these, because the problem with the faceplate is, as you can see, when I wear these Attitude V4 goggles, it's mainly supported on this part of the goggle. I mean, it's supported on the side of my face because I've got a bit of a wide face. And with the Eyecups, the benefit is when I put them on, they're actually supported a bit more around my nose bridge a bit more, which not only helps with a bit of light leak issue, but also allows my face to get a bit closer to the screen and lenses of the goggles, and that kind of helps me not get those stupid blurs on the edges. So yeah, I guess that's that. Otherwise, I'd also like to say that my first goggles actually came with Eyecups and I really liked them. They were the Dominator V2s, but they kind of got smashed in a family fight. So yeah, anyways, I guess that's that. Till next time, guys.